Welcome to this video, where we explore 10 major technologies shaping our world today. Each one plays a crucial role in transforming the way we live, work, and connect. First, let's talk about information technology, the backbone of the digital world. IT includes computers, networks, software, and data systems that help us store, manage, and communicate information. From cloud computing to cybersecurity, IT drives efficiency, innovation, and global connectivity. Next is communication technology, which enables people to share information instantly across the globe. Through smartphones, satellites, the internet, and wireless networks, communication technology helps businesses, governments, and communities stay connected in real time. 3. Industrial and manufacturing technology. Industrial and manufacturing technology focuses on machines, automation, robotics, and advanced production systems. These technologies improve efficiency, ensure precision, and accelerate mass production in factories, creating stronger, safer, and more reliable products. 4. Transportation technology. Transportation technology keeps our world moving. From electric vehicles and high-speed trains to drones and smart traffic systems, this field makes travel faster, safer, and more energy efficient, connecting people and goods worldwide. 5. Medical technology. Medical technology combines science and engineering to improve healthcare. It includes diagnostic machines, surgical robots, medical imaging, wearable health devices, and advanced treatments that save lives and support better patient care. 6. Agricultural technology. Agricultural technology, or agritech, transforms farming using drones, sensors, smart irrigation, and genetically improved crops. It helps produce more food with fewer resources, ensuring efficiency, sustainability, and food security for a growing population. 7. Energy technology. Energy technology focuses on generating cleaner, more reliable power. From solar panels and wind turbines to smart grids and energy storage systems, this field helps reduce emissions, improve efficiency, and build a sustainable energy future. 8. Consumer technology. Consumer technology includes everyday gadgets like smartphones, smartwatches, home automation devices, and personal electronics. These technologies enhance convenience, entertainment, and digital lifestyles, making daily tasks faster and more enjoyable. Environmental technology plays a vital role in protecting our planet. It includes water purification, waste management, pollution control, and renewable materials that help reduce environmental impact and support a cleaner, healthier world. Finally, biotechnology merges biology with technology to create advanced solutions in medicine, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. Through gene editing, synthetic biology, vaccines, bioengineering, and eco-friendly materials, biotechnology drives innovation and shapes the future of human development.